Let me ask you all one question. Why real estate? Real estate is not stocks, is not bonds, is not online cryptocurrencies or whatever. Real estate, I always say real estate is real asset. Is that what you can touch, you can feel secure? Real estate is something which is actual asset for any investor. Any investor would make money in real estate. It depends on how you enter the market and how you exit the market. It is very crucial point, and that's why I have started this training program to provide you guys the financial freedom through real estate. And not only financial freedom, it is also time freedom, which is very important. If you are time free, then you have achieved everything in your life. अगर आप दुबई रियल एस्टेट मार्केट समझ के, तो ये आपके लिए एक लाइफ चेंजिंग मोमेंट हो सकता है. दुनिया भर से, दुनिया के हर मुल्क से क्लाइंट यहाँ पे आता है, इन्वेस्ट करता है, क्योंकि दुबई सिर्फ एक सिटी नहीं है, ये एक हब है, एक बिजनेस हब है. क्योंकि यहाँ के जो रूलर्स हैं, यहाँ के जो गवर्नर्स हैं, उनका जो विजन है वो बहुत बड़ा है. दे वांट दुबई टू बी द एयरपोर्ट फॉर द वर्ल्ड. इट इज़ अ बिजनेस हब, इकोनॉमिक हब. यहाँ की करेंसी स्टेबल है. I will break down this journey step by step. Why should one invest in Dubai real estate in this whole journey? What is the booking process? Why would one invest? How they will invest? How they will make money? And how you will make money? I want to empower you in this whole journey. और मेरे साथ रहें और मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप ये सारा समझाती हूँ. सबसे पहले वन एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, कोई भी कहीं पे भी दुनिया में इस टाइम पे रह रहा है, दे आर पेइंग टैक्सेस, हाई टैक्सेस. Dubai is a city, is a place where you don't have to pay any kind of tax. Either it is income tax, rental income tax, capital gain tax, any sort of tax you're not paying. It is very investor friendly city. The number of ROI that you make here, आप यहाँ पे कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी अपनी रेंट करते हो, you average make 7 to 10% on the rental income. आप JVC में करो इन्वेस्टमेंट, JVT में करो, ऐसे एरियाज में इन्वेस्ट करो जो अभी भी स्टिल जहाँ पे चांसेस हैं हाई अप्रिसिएशन का फॉर योर रेंटल इनकम. ऑल्सो मैं ब्रेक डाउन करूंगी एरियाज को, बट जस्ट टू लेट यू नो दैट ROI इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ROI इन द होल वर्ल्ड. इंडिया में आप 2 से 4% नहीं बना पाते, पाकिस्तान में भी आप सेमी ROI बनाते हो, कनाडा में भी आप हाई टैक्सेस पे करते हो, UK गोज द सेम वे, Netherlands goes the same way, Europe goes the same way, everything goes in the same direction. But Dubai offers you one of the best ROI in the whole world. 7 to 10% net in your pocket. Nobody, no government, no authority is taking it from you. Now let's talk about the infrastructure of Dubai. Dubai का जो infrastructure है, whether it is airports, roads, connectivity, infrastructure related to the whole connectivity to the whole world, it is, as I said, it is the airport for the world. और दुबई इतना well connected है, the infrastructure is one of the best infrastructure of the whole world. And what next? Dubai लेके आ रहा है world's biggest airport, which is Al Maktoum International Airport, by which the population is also increasing towards the Dubai south side, and also it will help the whole economy to grow for business and other opportunities for people who will land here for job. Dubai offers you investor-friendly environment. You can own the land, you can buy the land on full ownership. It is 100% yours. No shareholder, which is freehold land. There are 2 types of lands in Dubai. One is a leasehold and one is a freehold. Freehold land you can fully own and buy, and you can transfer it to your kids, your wife, your family. Leasehold land is only for 99 years. So Dubai offers that benefit of owning that land of 100% ownership. Expo effect and growth. Dubai की economy Expo के बाद और ज़्यादा strong हो गई है, and for the next 10 years there's a huge potential of the business opportunities in UAE market. So this is the right time if you start investing in Dubai, and or if your clients invest in Dubai, it is very good time for you and for your clients to make good amount of money in Dubai real estate. Now, safety is one of the very important factor if anyone is moving their families from any part of the world. One of the major concern for any investor or end user is how the safety is in Dubai. Dubai is one of the safest city in the world. It's financially strong. You don't have to worry for your financial. It is giving you the opportunities for your job and for business. Safety, as I said, safety for the investor is very important. For any investor bringing in money here, the rules and the laws in Dubai real estate market are so strong that no one can cheat you, no one can harm you, no one can damage you, no one can take it from you, no one can steal it from you. So you have the full authority and the rights of your property, and it is a full secure system which is best in the whole world. Coming towards the family side, this is financial side. Coming towards the family side, it is again very healthy to live in such an environment where there is peace and there is zero crime in this city. दुबई रियल एस्टेट मार्केट काम कैसे करती है? सबसे पहले आपको दुबई का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर समझने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. दुबई के जितने भी ओल्ड एरियाज हैं, जैसे बर्ड दुबई, डेरा, करामा, सतवा एंड सम एरियाज ऑफ जुमेरा, देयर आर ऑल लीज होल्ड एरियाज. जबकि जो नए एरियाज डेवलप हो रहे हैं, जैसे डाउनटाउन, बिजनेस पे, बर्शा, दुबई साउथ, JVC, JVT, Dubai land. There are so many areas where you can buy with full ownership of the land and which is freehold. You can buy, you can rent, and you can sell the land. Secondly, there is two types of properties in UAE. One is off-plan, which is we call pre-construction or off-plan properties, and the second is ready properties. अगर आप ऑफ प्लान में लेते हैं, यहाँ पे आपको क्या बेनिफिट मिलता है? यहाँ पे आपको बेनिफिट मिलता है इंस्टॉलमेंट प्लान का. कोई भी इन्वेस्टर कमिंग फ्रॉम एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वो इन्वेस्ट कर सकता है विद अ वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल पेमेंट प्लान. इंस्टॉलमेंट्स पे आप बाय कर सकते हो वो प्रॉपर्टीज को. रेडी में आपको बैंक मॉर्गेजेस भी ऑफर हो जाते हैं. इवन इफ यू आर अ नॉन रेजिडेंट, आई विल कम टू दैट पार्ट लेटर. जब एक जगह आपके पास इंस्टॉलमेंट में प्रॉपर्टीज हैं और एक जगह आपके पास रेडी प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, एनी इन्वेस्टर वुड बाय कम टुवर्ड्स द pre-construction or off-plan properties. Here they get a very flexible payment plan, and some developers do offer up to 8 years of payment plan. Secondary market and primary market. What is secondary market and what is primary market? Primary market is a market where you go and buy directly from the developer, and the developer makes a sales and purchase agreement direct with the client. Whereas the secondary market is that you are first time buyer, but when the second buyer buys from you, जब कोई दूसरा बंदा आपसे buy करता है, then it becomes a secondary or resale. We call it resale or we call it secondary market. यहाँ पे इन्वेस्टर्स तब रीसेल करते हैं जब उनकी प्रॉपर्टी थोड़ी सी अप्रिशिएट हो जाती है. दे वेट डाउन द लाइन 1 year और 1.5 year डाउन द लाइन, और फिर उसके बाद में वो उसको रीसेल भी कर सकते हैं. नाउ हियर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कि डेवलपर्स कब रीसेल करने देते हैं. सम डेवलपर्स ऑफर 24% पे आप जो हो वो रीसेल कर सकते हो. सम डेवलपर्स दे ऑफर अप टू 34% पे आप रीसेल कर सकते हो. Some developers like Emaar, they sell up to 50%. They don't give an NOC before 50% of the value. Dubai offer करता है आपको Golden Visa Residency Policy and Investors Visa Residency. अगर आप इन्वेस्ट करते हो दुबई के अंदर up to 750,000 दिरहम, आपको मिलता है 2 साल का रेजिडेंसी वीज़ा. और अगर आप इन्वेस्ट करते हो up to 2 million दिरहम प्रॉपर्टी, तब आपकी फैमिली को मिलता है 10 years का गोल्डन वीजा. आपको और आपकी फैमिली को, आपके स्पाउस को, आपके बच्चों को और आपके पेरेंट्स को, इवन योर मेड, योर ड्राइवर, एंड एवरीवन विल गेट दैट गोल्डन वीजा. बट गेस व्हाट, आपको 2 million इनिशियल में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू पे द डाउन पेमेंट विच इज 24%. लेट्स से आपने 2 million की आज की प्रॉपर्टी बाय की है, you will buy that property, make the down payment which comes to close to 500,000 dirhams, and then you are eligible for the golden visa, which is 10 years for you and for your family, which is again a huge benefit for people moving to Dubai, investing in Dubai, starting a business in Dubai, living in Dubai. It makes a whole new package for them. UAE की currency, which is AED, यानी dirham, is fixed against US dollars, which is 3.65. It never fluctuates. In India, it fluctuates. In Pakistan, it fluctuates in other parts of the world. But Dubai's currency is fixed. Even if you keep your money in the drawer, it doesn't matter because your money is secure. Your money is fixed. It does not depreciate with time. Also, if you start investing in real estate, it is very rewarding. As I mentioned, the ROI and the capital appreciation with no taxes.